The pyramid effect has several parts. If you make a copper pyramid or an iron pyramid, it will also work. That is, the material does not matter. It will form the same way. The problem is that the quality of the effects it will have will not be the same. In fact, these pyramids are made with a special aluminum. You cannot use just any aluminum on the market because they contain iron, they contain copper, even in small proportions, but dispersed in the structure. So it does not work for us. They are not safe. It is not that they do not work for us. Some people have made them with the best aluminum they could find, and well, they get quite a bit of use out of them. But it is not the safest or most recommended way, because there are three types of magnetism: ferromagnetism, diamagnetism, and paramagnetism. Ferromagnetism is everything that a magnet sticks to, like iron, zinc, and so on. Diamagnetism, the magnet doesn't stick, copper, silver, but copper is the most dangerous for making pyramids because the effect of the pyramidal field, the quantum part, has a different radiation, and it is not good for the health of plants, animals, or people. Many have already tested this, I have tested it with plants. I didn't dare try it with animals, the copper pyramids. With iron, yes, and I've gotten some good results, but the bad part had to be recovered later in an aluminum pyramid. So no, not with iron either. Neither ferromagnetic nor diamagnetic, only paramagnetic. And why paramagnetic? And why would that work that way too, without causing any harm or such? Well, look, carbon is paramagnetic, oxygen is paramagnetic, hydrogen is paramagnetic, nitrogen is paramagnetic. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Remember CHON, C-H-O-N, CHON, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. They are the four elements that make up organic chemistry, which is based on carbon. You might lack oxygen, you might lack hydrogen, or you might lack nitrogen, but it is always a combination of carbon with one, two, or all three of the other gases: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. And they are the four paramagnetic ones. All organic chemistry is paramagnetic. Wood is paramagnetic. What do we have in the body? Trees and animals are too. Part, or all of the Mendeleev table, we have elements of every kind. In the body we have gold, we have silver, we have platinum, iridium, rubidium, everything in very small amounts. Hemoglobin, for example, has a lot of iron. We do have a lot of iron in our bodies. But what happens if we go inside a ferromagnetic pyramid? We die. Well, we are not going to die because it will not be so bad that we will run away before it actually harms us. But it does affect the hemoglobin. That is because it is a ferromagnetic element that we have in our blood, which is entirely paramagnetic, but a magnetic disturbance occurs there, you see? I'll explain it this way because that is how it is, you see? Magnetic fields are stirred up with an iron pyramid. Not with this pyramid, because since it is paramagnetic, it will not affect any ferromagnetic or diamagnetic elements that we have in our body. It will not directly affect the paramagnetic ones. It will affect the whole at an atomic level in weak nuclear energy and strong nuclear energy. Actually, they are not two types of energy. Later I will explain a little, or in another live stream we will talk about what energy is, about which a lot of nonsense is said at the highest academic level, and the biggest stupidities ever heard are said.